Hello beautiful! Today I will show you how to make a vegan balm using only 4 natural ingredients. The first ingredient is Carnuba Wax. This is a vegan substitute for beeswax that is normally used in balm making. We will then use a moisturizing soft butter like mango butter. This is extracted from the kernels of the mango fruit and it is 100% vegan. You will need either apricot or jojoba oil. Both are delicate and suitable for all skin types. The last ingredient is an essential oil of choice or a blend of oils. I have used a blend of energizing peppermint and some eucalyptus. Next, you will need a heat-proof glass container. Fill it in with the Carnuba Wax, mango butter, and apricot oil. Then put it in a double boiler at low heat. You want to stir frequently with a non-metal utensil. Never use any metal while you're working with the wax. When everything is melted, remove the glass container from the heat and stir in the essential oils. You need to keep stirring and move fast through this step because Carnuba Wax solidifies very quickly. The particles you see floating in the mixture are tiny pieces of the wax that solidify when touching the spatula or even the walls of your container. This is due to the change in temperature between the melted wax and any other container that will inevitably be colder. Quickly pour in your final containers. At this stage, you can use metal containers since they will help to cool the balm. Let them sit open on your counter or place them in the fridge until they're fully solid. This may take about an hour. And here it is, a wonderful vegan balm suitable for all skin types and ready to use.